How to fix Messenger not working. So if you have any problem with the Messenger in your phone, this video is gonna help you. First thing guys, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find Messenger and click on it. When you click on Messenger, click on this option here. It's called Force Stop to stop the app from running in the background. After that, go to the data usage and make sure that all these options are enabled and disable only the background data. Go back and now click on the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear cache and clear data. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.